This video is an overview of how to set up the Intex 2006 liters per hour filter pump. The pump is intended for use with 366 centimeters and smaller above-ground pools. Please follow all the instructions and recommendations in your owner's manual when setting up your pump. Failure to do so could result in injury or product damage. Setting up your pump is simple and easy. Follow these guidelines. Do not plug the pump into an electrical outlet until you have finished setting up the pump. Do not turn the pump on unless the pool is filled with water to the proper level. Do not operate the pump when there are people in the pool. You must be able to plug your filter pump into an electrical outlet without using an extension cord. Electrical outlets must be GFCI or RCD protected. Test the outlet before each use of the pump. If the test fails, do not plug the pump in until the fault has been corrected. See the manual for complete instructions. Place your filter pump midway between the hoses, as far from the pool as the hoses will allow. The pump's connectors should face the pool. Connect the hose from the right side of the pool to the top filter pump connector, the inlet port, and the hose on the left side of the pool to the lower pump connector, the outlet port, securing the hoses with the thumb screws. Check that all connections are tightly secured. Do not plug the pump into an electrical outlet at this time. Confirm that the filter cartridge and cartridge housing O-ring are properly installed. Open the air release valve on the top of the cartridge housing. Remove the housing collar with a counterclockwise rotation, then remove the cover. Lift the filter and check that the O-ring is in place inside the cartridge housing. Carefully replace the filter, the cover, and the collar. It should be hand tightened only. Gently tighten the air release valve. Check that the pump is as far from the pool as the hoses will allow. You may now fill the pool with water. Make sure the legs are snug against the pool wall as it fills. Do not fill the pool beyond the sleeve seam. As the pool fills, water will flow into the hoses and the pump, trapping some air in the system. It is necessary to release the air, or water will not circulate. Make sure the pump is not plugged into an electrical outlet. Open the air release valve on top of the filter housing. Gently shake the hoses to help purge the air. When water flows out of the top of the filter housing, close the air release valve again, finger tight. Refer to the manual for complete instructions for releasing trapped air. You may now plug the filter pump into a GFCI or RCD electrical outlet. The pump will begin working immediately. If your pump features a GFCI RCD electrical plug, follow the instructions in the manual to test the circuit before each use. Do not use the pump if the test fails. Disconnect the power cord until the fault has been corrected. Refer to the manual for the recommended number of hours to run your filter pump and for complete instructions. If water is not flowing into the pool, air may still be trapped between the filter pump and the pool. Unplug the electric cord. Open the air release valve above the filter housing and gently shake the hoses up and down until water runs out of the valve. Close the air release valve. Then plug in the pump to resume operation. The filter cartridge will clean effectively for about 2 weeks. At that time, check to see if it needs to be replaced. Before checking the filter, stop the flow of water through the system. Refer to the manual for replacing the inlet jet and strainer nozzle with the provided black hat-shaped plugs inside your pool. The plugs prevent water from overflowing when opening the pump's cover. Then open the air release valve, unscrew the housing collar, and remove the cover. Examine the filter cartridge. If your cartridge is dirty or brown in color, try spraying it clean with a garden hose. If it cannot be rinsed off easily, the filter should be replaced with cartridge number 29000 marked A. With proper care and maintenance, your filter system will give you years of clean, fresh water.